So we are on the practice section. I'm going to do A, B, and C all in one foul swoop. So let's go, because, besides gears, we love our fish. Now, this icon means that this will travel with us, and I feel like I should have these other two complete, which you might. If you don't have these ones complete, you're going to have to make the counter patterns for the orange and the green fish. I believe that followed us from the one example, but if you don't have those done, we do need to have two additional counter patterns if the orange fish is not complete. And yours, if you remember, they were all supposed to be different speeds, which doesn't really matter for the exercise, but let me put that in there just in case. Now, we just want our fish to move left when the arrow key is pressed down. I want something to happen after I run my code. That's going to be an if. I'm going to go to world and say keyDown. And since we're going to the left, it would make sense to pick the left. You can be one of those WASD people and do A, it doesn't matter. Like I said, I can bundle all these and move them. I could also do it individually. If I'm going to move it individually, I am very carefully grabbing by the equal sign. When I run now, I do not have anything moving until I hold down the left key. And if I hold back up, they stop. All right, let's take a look at B. We're going to debug our turtle. So as we know about anything that is a debug, we do not add any code. We just change or have an issue. So first thing we're going to do is, it looks like our turtle has some ability to move. So I'm going to key up, looks great. Key down, looks great. Key right, looks great. And then when I go to key left, the whole thing breaks. So why did it break when I keyed down left? So let's go into this particular if statement. And if you're looking, something is missing right here. And this some of you have had this happen before. If you look, this just says turtle, and then this says turtle.x. So this counter pattern is actually missing the sprite property. So I just went in and typed .x. You could have gone up to sprite properties and dragged that in, but you will notice now our little turtle is able to move all over the place. Our last one for practice is also a turtle and also another debug. So let's take a look at that one as well. Here we go. I'm going to run my code. So if I move my turtle up, down, right, and or left, I just kind of keep spawning. So I have like a bunch of like turtles, and I can't really move very far. So let's take a look at our code over here. And all of my ifs are working, and I have all of the sprite properties there. But why would it be spawning? And if I look, my variable, my set animation, my scale can stay in the function draw or not, but all of these things need moved out so that my turtle now can move top, bottom, right, and left.